Hey guys, what's up? So what do we have for review today? Courtesy of Banggoods.com. Check them out, link in the description down below. 11/11 is coming. They have good sales. Check them out. I dropped a link on my Facebook earlier, just a few minutes ago. Click it. There's something there for you. So let's get into it. This is the SkyStars STX225 do-it-yourself race drone. So let's get it unboxed and see what's in the package. So looks like we have a pack of Gemfan Wind Dancer 5042 3-bladed props. Looks like we have some stickers, really cool. We have a camera. I'm not seeing a name on that one, just says FPV camera. We have a VTX. This VTX is nice. I have this in the Tyro 129. Okay, we're gonna have 4 ESCs. Looks like they have some LEDs onto them. Really nice. Looks like we're gonna have us a flight controller. Or is that gonna be the PDB? Looks like maybe the flight controller. And looks like we're gonna, yeah, it's like, looks like all in one maybe. And we're gonna solder our ESCs to that. Cool. There's another ESC. And another. Should have 4. And there's the 4th one. Alright, looks like we have a pretty cool, like a little stubby MMCX FPV antenna. We're gonna have us some what we got here? The SkyStar motors. They're SkyStar motors. 2205 2300 kV. Looks like we're gonna have 8 screws in there, 4 long, 4 short. That's awesome that they send you that. We're gonna have 4 of those. We're gonna have an XT60 connector with some 18 gauge power wire, looks like. A SkyStar strap. Looks like we have a 3M battery strap there. That's some good stuff right there if you guys have never used it. So you peel that off, stick it to your frame, peel that off, and your battery will stick right to it. Just as good as oh my god grip. Looks like we have a bag of standoffs. Nylon standoffs for mounting our flight control and whatnot. And then looks like we have the frame. There's the standoffs, the screw packet for it, and the arms. Really nice looking carbon. Okay, so stay tuned to the channel, and we're gonna go ahead and build this. So we got it all laid out here on the table, and I'll tell you what, taking it out of the package and getting to look it over, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I'm liking this is a 35 amp ESCs, which is really nice. BL Heli 32, D-Shot 1200, 225S. Looks like we have an LED on that. Really nice. Everything silicone wire. The camera, I mean everything. The motor wires are really nice silicone wire, not that harder wire. Every wire is like really nice, good quality there. I like the standoffs that they got going on here. This isn't bad for, I think it comes in right around $112. I don't think you could beat that. The flight controller I was looking at, it's pretty different. Just this here, it's like a serial port or something. I have never seen them on a flight controller yet, but nothing bad. I was looking it over and I'm checking out, you know, the way it's laid out, because I like to look it over and you know, think, well, the average person could definitely understand what's going on here. So we got our receiver stuff down here on this end. You got your camera, yeah, your video out, so where your VTX and all will hook up here. You got some battery voltage. Looks like we'd have to jump some battery voltage air pad. It's got a boot loader button instead of just jump pads. I like to see that. I see now something I see that I really don't like is the way they battery positive and negative. That's like real tiny, but it looks like you get good foundation of solder on there, and you know, make that wire connect really well. But yeah, so let's go ahead and like I said, build this thing live and join us and see what we turn it into. Motors, like I said, are nice. Everything seems nice quality on this thing. I'm looking for something that I kind of want to pick out and say I don't like. Other than, like I said, that smaller pad, that's it. Yeah, and that's nothing to complain about. Like I said, this VTX is on my Tyro 129, and I have been a half mile on that VTX, so I know that thing's golden. The little pagoda antenna we got going on here, MMCX connector. So yeah, so let's go ahead and build it live together. Join me. Like I said, tomorrow night we'll go live at 7 p.m. Eastern time, and we'll get this thing put together. So join us. Again, link in description down below. Check out Banggood. They are having a sale coming up, 11/11. You don't want to miss it. Thank you, Banggood, for sending this in for me for review. Guys, check it out. Pick you up one. SkyStars STX225. Do it yourself race drone.